Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to connect the Tosima W5 window cleaning robot to a power supply. So there are two things that you're going to need. The first one is the power supply itself, and then the plug, so the plug that connects to a wall socket. Both these things should come with the robot, so there are no worries on that part. And then the next thing that we're going to do is just connect this plug, so this power supply, with the plug from the other cable, so this cable right here. So just connect that, and then you take this plug and you connect it to a wall socket, so the power should start flowing. You're going to come up to the other end of the power supply, just open this part up, and here you're going to have this cable, and this cable connects to the plug on our robot, so this cable coming out of the robot, and you're going to align both of these, so there are these little ridges that you're going to align like that, and you're going to twist so it locks in place and it doesn't pull out. And once you've done everything correctly, you'll see that the robot has lit up. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.